Here we have 3 terms added together. It's the same process, though. You get the LCD of all 3 denominators, and you get each term, each fraction in terms of the LCD. Okay, so this one, you guys were working on your own. We have 4 divided by x plus 1 plus x plus 2 divided by x squared minus 1 plus 3 divided by x minus 1. And you guys are telling me that the first step is to factor the denominator. What did you get when you factored that middle denominator? There you go. So it's difference of 2 squares. The factor is to be, x plus 1 times x minus 1. And I walked around a little bit. I think everybody made it to this point okay. Any questions on that? So what's the LCD then? I usually write the LCD in the corner so it's not in the way. What's the LCD? Yeah, it's got to contain an x plus 1, so write it down as a factor. It's got to contain a factor of x plus 1. It's got to contain a factor of x plus 1. Already got it. It's got to contain a factor of x minus 1. I don't have it yet, so write that down. And then it's got to contain a factor of x minus 1. I've already got it. So don't write it down twice. Otherwise, your LCD is going to be more complicated than it would be otherwise, right? It won't be an LCD. It'll be a CD, which, you know, the degree will be a lot higher. It'll be complicated. Okay, does everybody understand how to find the LCD? And the next thing to do is to get each term in terms of the LCD. Each fraction in terms of the LCD. Yeah. The LCD is the smallest polynomial, degree-wise, that contains all the factors of all the denominators. So just look at it. Look at the denominators from left to right. So it's got to contain a factor of x plus 1. So that's why I wrote that down, right? It's got to contain a factor of x plus 1. I already have it. I don't need to write it down twice. It won't be the LCD if I write it down two separate times. It's got to contain a factor of x minus 1. I wrote it down. It's got to contain a factor of x minus 1. I already got it. Don't need to write it down twice. Okay? So now, how do I get 4 divided by x plus 1 in terms of the LCD? What's it missing? So this is the step I want to see. Put parentheses around that guy. Multiply numerator denominator by the factor that first denominator is missing from the LCD. That's what I'd like to see. It's a good idea to show the steps, because if you don't get the right answer, at least if you show the correct step in the middle portion of the problem, you'll get more partial credit than you would otherwise. Okay, and then for the second guy, it's already got the LCD, doesn't it? It's good to go. It's got both factors. What about this third guy? X minus 1. Oh, it's missing x plus 1. So we need to multiply numerator and denominator by x plus 1. And then go ahead and put in parentheses everywhere around all quantities. You don't need parentheses around the 3, but around all quantities. Okay, now the way I like to do it, you could start multiplying right now, but I only want to write down one denominator, so there's no reason why you can't write down one big fraction with the LCD. And this is a good way of showing your work. You don't have to do it this way. You could right away multiply 4x minus 4, but I'm going to show this step because I think it's helpful when you end up distributing negatives. It's particularly helpful. So this guy is going to be part of the numerator, and then you're going to add in this guy. And then you're going to add in this guy. If you want to make it 3x plus 3 and distribute it right away, that works. But I'm going to show that step. Okay, question?
Did you put it for the denominator x squared minus 1? Would that be okay as well?
Yeah, but if you multiply it out and you have a factor of x minus 1 in your answer, which doesn't turn out to be the case, then you might not recognize it and you might not simplify it all the way. So I'm saying there's no reason to multiply out the denominator. But it's not wrong. Okay, so at this point, I'll go ahead and do that distribution. What do I get? 4x minus 4. The plus x and the plus 2 don't change. Do this distribution. What do I get? 3x plus 3. Really easy to forget that second 3. So and make it a 1. So try to remember to distribute, right? It's tough to do that sometimes. Over the LCD, so x plus 1 times x minus 1. Okay, combine like terms. Let me write the result right here. I see a 4x, an x, and a 3x, 8x. I see a minus 4, a plus 2, and a plus 3. So that's a minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, right? Plus 3, plus 1, and then all over the LCD. Now, that one, the numerator doesn't factor. It doesn't contain any common factors with the denominator, so you know you're done.